Sinigang is sabaw, soup, and it is sampalok. Sampalok, tamarind-based. It being sampalok-based, it is maasim or sour. The meat is pork belly, also known as liempo, or you say baboy. Sometimes the pork belly could be exchanged into shrimp, prawn maybe, or fish. This is the vegetable. Okay, one of the vegetables, okra. That is sitaw. And then kamatis, labanos, and then there's talong. Okay, I purposely did not choose the sile, okay, because it's maanghang or spicy. So there is a piece of the pork or baboy, liempo. Okay. There another piece. There are also dipping sauces. You have bagoong, which is maalat or salty, or patis, okay, which is also salty. Sinigang is both maasim and maanghang because of the chili or the sile. Best paired with kanin, of course, since it's ulam. You can put the chili together with it for a burst of maanghang and maasim and maalat, all in one Filipino dish, comfort food called sinigang.